Assalamu alaikum my dear students, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with Surah Anam, the second passage of your syllabus, and this is Surah number 6 of Holy Quran. Before we start the main theme, I would like you to write down the keywords. Okay, let's do it. To him is due the primal origin of the heavens and the earth. Means Allah is the originator. He is the sole creator. So first keyword is sole creator, the only Lord. Second is, how can he have a son when he has no consort? Consort means wife. Simply write, he does not have any wife, so how can he have children? He created all things and he has full knowledge of all things. That is Allah, your Lord. There is no God but He, the creator of all things. Then worship Him alone. Now here the knowledge of Allah tells us His omniscience. And he has the power to dispose of all affairs. Now here the power of Allah is omnipotence of Allah. No vision can grasp him, but his grasp is over all vision. He is above all comprehension, yet is acquainted with all things. In simple words you can write, we cannot see Allah Almighty, but we can feel Him through His signs. And He is watching over us all the time because He is the most powerful and He has got the all knowledge about us, whatever we say, whatever we hide. Okay? Now we will start the main theme of the passage, and the same start just we did in Ayatul Kursi. Like you will start your answer. This passage is taken from Surah Anam, a Makki surah, and the main theme of the passage is oneness of Allah or Allah in Himself. It tells us about His oneness in creation, that when there was nothing, He was there, and then it is He who solely created the entire universe. Solely created means He created all alone. Only He is the creator. So He owns all in the universe. Then you will support this with any of the Quranic quotation, like you can see on the screen. The verse begins with the Arabic word Badi, Badi us samawat. It means one who creates. Allah is the one who creates something new, thus acknowledging Allah as the creator without precedent. It establishes Him as the creator of the heavens and the earth and everything that exists between or beyond them without any previous resources. The passage also signifies His oneness in existence. He alone created the entire universe amazingly without anyone's help. This was the direct response to the Christians' view, who claimed Hazrat Isa as the Son of God, although Hazrat Isa never claimed this. It highlights His attributes of being as refined and subtle. It means Allah is invisible to the physical eye and not detectable to the senses, but we can feel His presence through the signs. Verses of Surah Anam mention His ultimate knowledge and His power to originate, create, recreate, and decide all affairs. This verse, how can He have a son when He has no consort, refutes, rejects, and negates the false idea of Him having a son. All these characteristics of Allah guide humans to accept Allah as their only God, whose strength, power, knowledge, and vision are unlimited and incomprehensible. I hope you understood this part, and now we will start its significance.